Hi everyone, I'm Gökhan Ceylan and today I will show you what Eterna is. We asked a simple question: what happens to your AI agent when the server turns off? So let's figure out together. But before everything, let's define the problem clearly. Today, AI is fragile and it lives on rented servers. If the developer stops paying Amazon Web Services bills or something similar, the agent just vanishes. Plus, privacy is a black box. You need to trust OpenAI not to read your data. So, what can be the solution? The answer is Eterna. We move the AI's brain to the Amadeus Consensus Layer and its memory to the RV Permaweb. This creates immortal agents with NPCs or assistants that persist forever, uncensorable, and owned by only you. So, before keep going, I will show you the architecture, but before architecture, let's go for an example. So let's say that you came to the website and you're creating your own AI agent, for example, a game character or something similar, and people talk with him regularly, and one day they just goes bankrupt and shuts down the servers. Like that company, it can be a developer or whatever, but still after that users will be keep talking with that AI agent because it's immortal. It's what we are trying to achieve here. Before showing the demo, as I mentioned, I will show you the architecture. So what happens here exactly? Let's look at how this actually works. The brain part for Amadeus, which is in the middle, we have the Amadeus nodes. They run the useful proof of work. They execute the AI model and mathematically prove the result is correct. And for the memory part, RView, on the right, we have RView, as you see. We store encrypted compressed logs of the agent's history here. And critically, it is client-side encrypted with your wallet key. Only you can read it. And magic part, which is RAG. How do we handle 10 years of memory? We use RAG. We don't feed the whole history every time. We search the vector database for only the relevant memories and inject them into the prompt. This keeps it cheap and fast. It's what we are trying to do. So let's see the website. Now you can come to our website based on that domain. As you see, it's our homepage. You can see all the details, so you can see what you can do, like everything there. Let's see it in action. I will mint a new soul. Okay, so let's call it maybe the keeper. So I came to create part. As you know, it's just a prototype, but it's how it will look like eventually. So let's say that I'll go for the keeper, and we can go for some actions. What can we say? You are a perfect game AI agent, let's say, and game helper AI, I'll call it. So there will be a fixed view, and for memory storage layer, we are going for different options. We'll decide on which one will be the best. And for example, we can mint, and it will be, as I mentioned, it's a simulation. But how it will work actually, now let's talk with one of them. For example, I'll go for one and I will say hello, and you will see the AI agents features there, their current state, because after each talk, each sharing, they might change because we are trying to put many experiences on them, is what we are assuming. So it's how it will look like. And when you see the spinner, it's verifying consensus. In our prototype, we simulate this delay, but in the native protocol, this is where the node is proving the actual work. Once verified, the response is permanent. So let's keep going with the slides. As you can see, we mentioned all the pages there. You can just come and check the simulation on your own. And we already talked about the architecture part. Feasibility part, I mentioned almost all of it. So if you wanna check it, you can just stop the video right now and read everything. So what about the marketplace? What can be done there? Does it matter? If yes, why does it matter? Because unfaked history just creates a value, and people really care about the keyword, which is value. In our marketplace, you don't just buy a prompt, you buy proof of experience, an agent that has lived, learned, and evolved for years. So that's our aim, that's what we are trying to do. Our links are active right now. Our website is there, and if you want to check our source code, which is on GitHub, you can just come to our project page. You can see all the details here as well. Our website, our GitHub, all of them are listed. Let's show the GitHub as well. And if you want to try it and run it locally, you can see all the steps here as well. You can just follow it. It's very simple. And what else? Eventually, by the way, we will update all the other links. Demo video, it will be updated after I record this one, and pitch deck will be updated as well. You will have the access to everything about the project. So what can I say eventually? This is Eterna, encrypted privacy, infinite memory, and verified by consensus. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.